Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel, Karibu Sana.
Boom 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 boom. boom.
I'm so proud of this beautiful, amazing African queen. I could get to call. I have the privilege of calling my wife. I'm so proud of her. She's done so much for us as a family moving forward into reaching our goals, and just being an amazing, beautiful, peaceful, loving woman that she has always been. She's always had my back, and I hope you know that I always have yours. And I'm hoping for many more years of love in her son. Like, I love you, baby.
I love you too, darling. I'm so excited. Guess what, guys? It's my birthday.
And I'm taking her on an helicopter ride.
Let's go together. I'm super excited.
It's going to be so much fun, guys. All right.
Let's see you guys. Let me show you guys. Baby, come and say something.
And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out, some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say, thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now, still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. is your choice to make. A little mockery, it won't do. Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. I'm barely breathing, trapped in this feeling. I wake up screaming your name, but I'm only dreaming. Ocean is fading. I don't know why. I'm trying to try to tell myself what I should know. You run away, nothing to say, but I simply can't let you go. Can't let you go.
So I really didn't think that we were gonna do what we did today. I'm so thankful for you, baby.
Your birthday week isn't over. We got more fun stuff to do this week.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. Continue subscribing if you have not subscribed. If you're watching us for the first time, my name is Nelly.
I'm Terrence.
And we are the International Lovebirds.
Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Yes, baby. Yes. Woo.
Am I good? Yeah,
Yes,
I'm good.
you look good, baby.
You look better, baby.
Oh, thank you.